The Barclays Arrival Plus card has the highest sign-up bonus ever right now. The bonus has been improving for a few months now. First, it was 50,000 miles after meeting the minimum spend. Then it went up to 60,000 miles. Then it was 60,000 miles with the annual fee waived for the first year. And now it's up to 70,000 miles after spending $5,000 in the first 90 days. And the $89 annual fee is waived for the first year. That's an amazing deal. Hey guys, my name is Rami and welcome to Points Pointers. My goal for this channel is to help you earn and redeem as many points as possible to upgrade your travels for little to no money. So if you're interested in travel hacking and award travel, then please consider subscribing. I'll also share a lot of trip reports and reviews of first and business class flights from around the world, as well as some travel vlogs. You can also download my free 10-step travel hacking guide in the description below. The Arrival Barclays card is very simple and straightforward in terms of earning and redeeming miles. All purchases will earn 2 times miles, giving you a 2% return on all your spending. On top of that, you get 5% rebate when you redeem your miles, so essentially you're getting 2.1% back on all your purchases. Your miles can be redeemed for 1 cent towards the cost of a travel purchase. The travel category for which you can redeem is really broad per the terms and conditions. You can redeem your miles towards airlines, hotels, motels, timeshares, campgrounds, car rental agencies, cruise lines, travel agencies, discount travel sites, trains, buses, taxis, limousines, and ferries. You can even redeem your miles towards the card's annual fee. The Barclays Arrival Plus card has 0 transaction fees and it has chip and PIN technology, which makes it a great card to use overseas. This card is great to add in your wallet if you can meet the $5,000 minimum spend requirement on stuff you were going to buy anyway. Also, it's great to knock out cheap economy domestic travel off your statement without having to search for award availability and stuff like that. This will give you better value than using airline miles for such a short domestic trip. Overall, I think this is a solid card. The 70,000 miles bonus, which is worth $700 in travel purchases, is an awesome deal. However, if you're under 524 and there are Chase cards that you're looking to get, I'd get those first over this Barclays card. Let me know in the comments what you think of this card and if you're going to get it. Thank you guys for watching, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if this is your first time here, I would love to have you subscribe, because every week I'm publishing videos that help you earn a ton of credit card points and frequent flyer miles that will enable you to travel the world for little to no money.